Okay, so like a lot of other people, I had issues with one leg not wanting to go up, or it would go up, but it wouldn't go down. So after opening the gearbox and removing the spring off of the orange piece of plastic, which is basically one of the safety features on that leg, it now will go up and down just as smooth as can possibly be. The problem is that safety feature is built into both legs, but all the torque on this rod is going to one side. It doesn't have enough torque to overcome the spring on the other side. So by removing the spring, now I can go up and down. Doesn't make any goofy noises, doesn't do anything strange. The bar going across is bent because when I first assembled this thing and I went all the way up with it, it went all the way up, it would not go back down. Once it got to the top, it flexed that bar to the point of bending the way it is. But I have one set as the lowest setting, which is 27.9, and I have two, I think it's at 30 something. If you have issues with this controller, no matter where the desk is, press and hold the down button and it will go into ASR mode, which is all systems reset. Just keep holding that, or let off and press it again and hold it until it goes all the way down, and the all systems reset will reset, and it should say the lowest setting, which is, I think it's like 27.9 or something like that. Let me hold it until it goes all the way down here. All right, it's 29.8. That's the lowest setting. That's all the way down. Anyway, hope this helps. Just remove the spring off of the orange piece of plastic in the gearbox on the left-hand side. Don't do the right. If you do the right, it'll permanently mess up your desk.
Hi, Blake here with another review. This is for this standing desk, and obviously I'm using it as more of a workbench, but it is perfect for that. I love it. Assembly, not too bad. The instructions were very helpful and very clear. It did take a good amount of time because you have to get everything lined up, and it's kind of sensitive because of this bar. But I mean, like, it's sturdy and durable. Like, I've moved this around. I'm actually going to put some wheels on it eventually. But no, it's great as a workbench. So it's obviously going to be just as good, if not, better, because less weight for a regular work desk. So it has like the little drawers, everything else. Yeah, I'd say assembly probably took maybe 45 minutes or an hour. The other thing too, so at one point I did, like, it was like jammed. So, and by jammed, I mean like it was like locked. Ooh, I should probably not do that. I'm gonna knock stuff off the wall. But no, it's really nice, really smooth, definitely sturdy. I would highly recommend it.
Hey, this is a review on the sitting and standing desk that electronically goes up and down. So here's your keypad. You got up, down, and then memory settings 1 through 4. So you can manually press it up. You can see it going up there with the inches as well as the desk. So my standing position is 3. So I hit that and it will automatically start to raise to the standing position. The motor is pretty quiet. I don't think this will get picked up on a Zoom call or anything. I do like the 2 tiers here. Got the one with 2 tiers. Show you what it looks like under the bottom. And yeah, so to get it to go back down, I've got preset number 1 is for my sitting position. You can see it moving down. So yeah, it's a pretty great desk.